In this episode, we're going to be learning about needs and wants. When you go into any store, you will find a lot of things. But how can you tell the difference between what you want and what you need? A need is something people must have to live. Food, water, and a place to live are examples of things we need. A want is something you'd like to have. Video games, candy, and toys are examples of things that we want. Now that we've learned about needs and wants, let's see if you can identify if something is a need or a want. I wonder if this orange is a need or a want. What do you think? You're right. The orange is a need. I wonder if this carrot is a need or a want. What do you think? You're right. A carrot is a need. I wonder if this cupcake is a want or a need. What do you think? You're right. The cupcake is a want. I wonder if this video game is a want or a need. What do you think? You're right. The video game is a want. I hope you enjoyed learning about needs and wants. Don't forget to check out my other videos to learn more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more.